I want to quickly look at application of differentiation. We are looking at a question there on how we can apply differentiation in resolving mathematical problems. Now the question we have here is, at what value of s does the function y equals minus 3 minus 2x plus s squared attain a minimum value? Don't forget here, minimum value. Don't forget what value of x. Now the first thing is, you have to know, what do they mean by minimum value? You understand? You just have to know what they meant by what? Minimum value. Now, under application of differentiation, to know minimum value, what you need to do is to differentiate it 2 times. Like this function now, you are going to differentiate it 2 times. And after differentiating it, the answer you are going to get must be positive. Do you understand? If it's positive, then you know that the function is at minimum. But maybe after differentiating it 2 times, the result is not positive. You know that it is at maximum. The function is at where? Maximum. But in this case, we'll first of all quickly test run whether it is at what? Minimum. You differentiate it the first time, dy dx. This is the function we are differentiating. If we differentiate y with respect to x, there is this a constant because it does not carry x. If you differentiate minus 3, it will give you 0. Because if you differentiate a constant, it gives you what? 0. And if you differentiate minus 2x, obviously you will get what? Minus 2. If you differentiate s squared, you are going to get what? 2x. Do you understand? 0 minus 2 will give you minus 2 plus 2x. But this is not what we are looking for. They said we should differentiate it 2 times. So what we are going to do, this result you've gotten already, you will differentiate it again. You understand? That's the square y over the s square is equals, if you differentiate minus 2 is a constant. Do you get? If you differentiate minus 2, you are going to get 0. And if you differentiate plus 2x, you are going to get 2. So 0 plus 2 is what? 2. It's obvious that right now the result we are getting is what? Positive. Are you getting? The result we are getting is what? Positive. In this case, we can now say this function is really at what? Minimum. So if this function is at minimum, what you just need to do is to find the dy dx of the exact function and equate it to what? 0. So a function is at minimum when the dy dx is 0 after your second derivative is what? Positive. So for it to be minimum, dy dx now is what? 0. Is it clear? Dy dx is 0. And you come here, dy dx, we have already solved it as minus 2 plus 2x. So you now say minus 2 plus 2s is equal to, which this minus 2 plus 2s is standing in for dy dx. This equal to is this equal to. This 0 is this 0. So you equate the result here to what? 0. And if you collect like terms, I am very sure that this minus 2 goes over. As it's crossing equality sign, it will turn to plus 2. That's why this one is plus 2. And your 2s remains. So to get s now, you divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And the coefficient of x here is 2. You divide here by 2, you divide here by 2. 2 cancels 2, x is now left. So 2 divided by 2 here is 1. So the value of x that will make this function minimum is what? 1. You see it now? Very simple. And I hope you enjoy it. Just follow us, Saken Arithmetic, Saken Maths online. Go to TikTok, we are there. Facebook, we are there. Instagram, we are there. Just follow us. You will enjoy us. Have a nice day.